The Order of the Oak Crown is an order of the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg. History. The Order of the Oak Crown was established in 1841 by Grand Duke William II, who was also King of the Netherlands. At the time, the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg and the Kingdom of the Netherlands were in personal union, which means that both nations had the same person as head of state, although being two distinct and independent countries. Although the order was legally a Luxembourgish decoration, it was often used by William II and his successor, King Duke William III, as a house order of the Nassau dynasty to reward Dutch subjects. Beyond the control of the Dutch government, William II conferred the order on fewer than 30 recipients. His successor, William III, liked the ability to confer this order by his sole discretion, and awarded 300 decorations on the day of his coronation alone. In the following years, hundreds of additional awards of the order were made. Indeed, there were so many recipients in the Kingdom of the Netherlands itself that the order was widely regarded as a Dutch decoration. The Order of the Oak Crown ceased to be awarded to Dutch subjects in 1890, when Queen Wilhelmina, as the only remaining member of the House of Orange-Nassau, succeeded her father as new Queen of the Netherlands. Since the Erneuterverein, the Salic law-based house treaty between the two branches of the House of Nassau, did not allow women to succeed to the throne of Luxembourg as long as male heirs of the House of Nassau existed. The throne of Luxembourg went to a German relative of the new Dutch queen, also her maternal great-uncle Adolf, Duke of Nassau, who became Grand Duke of Luxembourg at age 73. The Order of the Oak Crown remained a solely Luxembourgish decoration. Subsequently, the Netherlands established the Order of Orange-Nassau instead. Since the accession of Grand Duke Adolf, the order has been primarily a decoration for Luxembourgish citizens, although it has occasionally been conferred on foreigners, mainly on members of foreign royal families or on eminent foreigners with Luxembourgish ancestors. HRH, the Grand Duke of Luxembourg, is the Grand Master of the Order. Grades and Insignia. Origin. After the abdication of King Grand Duke William I in 1841, his successor William II granted Luxembourg a written anti-liberal constitution in order to strengthen his authority over the country. At the same occasion, he established the Order of the Oak Crown with the idea to be able to award loyal supporters of his regime in liberal-minded Luxembourg. The badge, the ribbon, and the four-class hierarchy of the order were inspired by the Russian Order of St. George. This was probably due to the fact that William II was married to a daughter of Emperor Paul I of Russia, and that he had received the Order of St. George for his meritorious command in the Battle of Waterloo. Grades. Nowadays the order consists of 5 grades. Grand Cross wears the badge on a sash on the right shoulder and the plaque on the left chest. Grand Officer wears the badge on a necklet and the plaque on the left chest. Commander wears the badge on a necklet. Officer wears the badge on a chest ribbon with rosette on the left chest. Knight wears the badge on a chest ribbon on the left chest. Plus, gilt, silver and bronze medals, who wear the medal on a chest ribbon on the left chest. Insignia. The badge of the order is a gilt cross paté, enameled in white. The officer class has a green enameled oak wreath between the arms of the cross. The central disc bears the crowned monogram W on a green enamel background. The plaque of the order is an 8-pointed faceted silver star or faceted silver Maltese cross. The central disc bears the crowned monogram W on a green enamel background, surrounded by a red enamel ring with the motto Je maintiendrai, in turn surrounded by a green enameled oak wreath. The medal of the order is in an octagonal shape, with the motif of the badge of the order without enamel on the obverse, and an oak wreath without enamel on the reverse. The ribbon of the order is yellow-orange moire with 3 dark green stripes. The colors are said to be inspired by the oak forests and the fields of rue of the Luxembourg countryside. Selection of recipients: Floris Adrien Van Hall, François Altuis, Father Jean Bernard, Alphonse Burns, Charles, Count of Limburg-Styrum, Charles, Prince of Wales, Anne, Princess Royal, Augustin du Mont-de-Mortier, Justino Fortunato, Hugo Gernsback, Dennis Hastet, Jean Hengen, Guillaume Cosbrook, Auguste Laval, Henry J. Lair, Astrid Lulling, Pearl Mester, Nursultan Nazarbayev, Jean-Baptiste Nothomb, Pierre Notting, Samuel Sarfati, Otto Schully, Emile Sauvaise, Emile Speller, Ludwig Freiherr von Unzudertan Rathsarwausen, Joseph Wayland, Willem Alexander, Prince of Orange.